not sure if you guys know, but we will be moving into an RV. Hi, how are you doing today? I hope you are having a great day. Sorry for the noise. My neighbor is taking his, trash bins back. Yes, this morning was trash day, but I have been up for a few hours now. I've been out. I have went and made some returns. I'm not sure if you guys know, but we will be moving into an RV, and we have been purchasing stuff because, you know, when you move into a new house or any type of, apartment, anything, you have to get new stuff. Well, we were out shopping and we got a little overzealous and we did a little bit too much spending. So last night until like 1 o'clock this morning, me and Brene were up looking at the stuff that we got and if it was really needs and wants. So I took back the wants and we kept the needs. People get excited, and I'm not sure if you get excited when you go out and shop, and a lot of people overspend because of that. So today, I just came back from running errands, and my errands today was to return some of the shit that we didn't need. So I returned about almost like $100 worth of stuff that we really didn't need for our move-in. So because we didn't need it, I took it back, and we'll get it, but it's just we'll get it when it's a necessity. So now I'm chilling on the porch, doing a little 420. And then I'm gonna go in the house, organize some more stuff because we're about to be out. It is 50 feet. It's 50 feet. And it's $10. Why won't it work? Right. Why won't it work? Tell me. I'll hook that back. And it comes with a sprinkler. The little thing of it is $9.99.
And it's flexible, it expands.
And it ain't no taxes. $9.99 is what we want to pay. Give them a 10 and get your penny back.
Do you think we'll even need 100 feet?
No, we just need 2 of them.
Yeah, I would use this. So you want to get 2 different colors?
Oh, there's 2 different colors? I only seen yellow.
Oh.
Number 1.
Guess we'll be marking them.
We have left. Where was we at? Christmas tree shop. Oh yeah, you should have parked up here.
Yeah.
You alright? So now we're at the infamous. It's locked. We ain't gonna take your damn car.
That wasn't me.
Yeah, I know it was right there. That's the 3rd time she done hit it. Cause she seen us. Her right there. We're at Wally World. They got a tower for their Walmart too. Back that ass up. Oh, she picked it up too far. Oh, there you go. Pots have rainbows. The whole set. Look at that. You found your griddle. It's a reversible one. It should be another one somewhere over here because I see the price tag right there. Silly. You think Trey will like this one?
Yeah.
With the flowers?
This $20? Hey, shit, he don't like that. You want to sit down?
See this flower chair? You got to put that back in there?
Yeah.
Are you? We can.
It's really,
That's what it say down here on the. So they racing, right? And we're losing. We're losing. Come on, bruh. Come on. They're going up a hill. Come on.
Mission 25 now.
Right. Come on. And he's going to get in front of you. You let him.
He got you.
Damn. I thought we was going to win. I thought you said it wasn't nothing in your mouth.
What?
What is that?
Gonna leave for a cat.
You gonna have to go 7 days and 7 nights without no drink. If you keep putting the stuff to the lids in your mouth. You're gonna do like the walk of Jesus. 7 days and 7 nights. Nah, you know what I'm talking about. Take it out your mouth. You wanna see what we got? You're in school.
Just for me?
So this is what we got. You don't understand what it says because that is not English. So I guess I should go outside. It's windy as crap. So this is a waste tank. And this means that when we go out in our new home that will be an RV, we can unload 36 gallons of shit, water or waste, into this little container. So that means that when we go out and we boondock and we are out long, we will be able to stay out longer because we'll be able to get rid of our waste and just transport it out instead of having to take the whole RV back. If we should get a smaller one, and they advised us that no, we should keep that one because we're going to be surprised how fast it fills up. So apparently we're keeping it, all 36 gallons of it.
Yeah. I'd hate to be in a real shitty situation.
Do you want to see?
I was excited about a digital air pressure, air gauge.
I thought you was about to say something else.
I was.
With that boom, boom, that Ron Stewart or whatever his name is, the porn guy music.
Get your air pressure gauge today.
What else you got?
Well, I'm excited about the air pressure tire.
I see.
I got a poop box.
I wanted to put it on Snap so I can go back and forth. Go ahead. Go. Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. That was sexy, wasn't it?
Yes. Check out the moves. Why you ain't tell me I had my alfalfa going on?
You always do. I like it.
I do. You said you like it. You like my alfalfa?
It's cute. This is the most important thing right here, the instruction manual.
Will you read them?
Probably skim them and make sure that you read them.
That's exactly how this works. Try again.
1, 2, 3. No, it's not bad.
Did you just fart? Apparently that gets hot. And then I'm gonna take y'all to the front. Oh, there go the choke. That's where we pull. That's the fuel. Oh yes. This is a generator, and that means that we can boom up.
This is how you get sexy with the...
Yeah, this is how you get sexy.
Let me see your sexy pose. This is camper's delight. This is how excited you get when you're an RVer. Newly RVer. Will you have jewelry? So we can sell them watches.
I want. Hello. I think it's like 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. It's 11:15 in Wyoming. We was knocked out. We was asleep. We was sleep hard. We was over in the Sears parking lot. The mall was closed. Well, Sears was closed. Excuse me, the security guard came over. It was like, you guys can't sleep here overnight. We drove 2 minutes to the Walmart. So now we're in Walmart parking lot. to go back to sleep because the sister is tired. I was in a good sleep. I had drool probably coming down the side of my face. You could probably hear that I'm tired. But I'm going to go back to sleep now because the sister is tired. Like, tired. So, yeah. The joy. That's what happens when you park for free. You get kicked out for free, too.